Good morning students, welcome to all 12th standard commerce. In this video we are going to discuss chapter 15 recent trends in marketing, unit 5 marketing. Okay, so recent trends in marketing continuation. Last video already we discussed. In this video we are going to discuss commodity exchange, niche marketing, viral marketing, ambush marketing, guerrilla marketing, multi-level marketing, referral marketing and the content marketing. Okay, so let's see what is commodity exchange. What is commodity exchange? So this type of commodity tied with a price tag. Okay, this type of commodity tied with a price tag, that is called a commodity exchange. Let's see the meaning. So commodity exchange means a commodity exchange is an organized and regulated market that facilitates the purchase and sale of contracts whose values are tied to the price commodities. Okay, typically the buyers of these contracts agree to accept delivery of commodity and the sellers or to deliver the commodity. For example, crude oil, natural gas, copper and gold. Okay, it's called a commodity exchange. Next we are going to discuss niche marketing. What do you mean by niche marketing? Niche marketing means they have to choose and they have to identify the group of people, and not all the people, they are selling their product. They have to choose and they have to identify the group of people. So identify their needs and wants, that is called a niche marketing. Once again, so niche marketing means they have to choose and they have to identify the group of people. Okay, not only the people they are selling their product, they have to choose and they have to identify the group of people and identify their needs and wants. Okay, they have to satisfy their needs without any competitors, that is called a niche marketing. So niche marketing denotes a strategy of directing all marketing efforts towards one well-defined segment of the population. Actually, there is no market in niche market. It is found by company by identifying the need of customers which are not served or underserved by the competitors. So I already told you that they have to choose the customer, they have to identify the particular needs, but do not have any competitor to satisfy the customer, and need only this company give solution going to satisfy the needs. So this is called a niche marketing. Okay, so the company which identified the niche market developed solution to satisfy the needs of niche market. A niche market does not mean a small market, but it involves specific target audience with a specialized offering. So it aimed at being a big fish in a small pond instead of being a small fish in a big pond. Okay, so for example, there are various cinema halls across India, but there are a few which have recliner seats to offer. So not everybody wants to watch a movie by paying 5 into 6 times the cost of normal ticket. Okay, so the sports club like Star Sports, ESPN, Star Cricket and Fox Sports target the niche market of sports enthusiasts. Next we are going to see viral marketing. Okay, so what do you mean by viral marketing? So viral marketing means it will be spread like quick virus. Okay, spread like the quick virus to person. So some of the company asks a customer to spread his message or advertisement at least 10 WhatsApp group, you can get the commission. So like that they spread the advertisement, that is called a virus marketing. So viral marketing is a marketing technique that implies the users to pass on a marketing message to others. So creating a potentially exponential growth in the message, visibility and the effect. Okay, so viral marketing is able to generate interest and potential sale of brand or product through the message that spread quickly like a virus from person to person. Message and environment are vital element indispensable. So in spreading message widely across various distance, Hotmail company owned by Microsoft phone the services and advertisement message instantly. So the most widespread example in recent times is the creation of moving, surprising or speculative video on YouTube which are then shared on Facebook, Twitter and other channels. For example, if you are watching a YouTube channel, in between unknowingly the advertisement will come. Okay, so after 5 seconds only you can skip the advertisement. So like that they spread the advertisement. That is called the viral marketing. So this is called the viral marketing. Next we are going to see ambush marketing. What do you mean by ambush marketing? Ambush marketing is a new technique where a particular advertiser seeks to connect his product to the event in this mind of potential customer without paying sponsoring expenses to the event. Okay, so for example, advertisement they are not spending any amount. Other companies only sponsor the particular event. So ambushly they have to spread their advertisement. Okay, that is called ambush marketing. In other words, in method of building brands is convert ways. For example, X sponsored a football event to promote his brand. Every time camera zooms on reference, a group of people sitting on the bench wearing a Y company brand t-shirt, okay, brand name imposed the shirt comes into focuses. Okay, so in this case Y company promote its brand and X company's expenses. Okay, so bigger companies engage in ambush marketing tactics to undermine official event sponsor. That is called the ambush marketing. Next we are going to discuss guerrilla marketing. So compare the other types of marketing. These types of marketing show on the public place, malls, they show the advertisement. That is called the guerrilla marketing. So the concept of guerrilla marketing was invented as an unconventional system of promotion that relies on time, energy and imagination rather than the big marketing budget. Okay, guerrilla marketing represents an advertisement strategy to promote the products, services on streets or other public places with monkey like shopping malls, parks, beach, etc. So consumers or customers are taken by surprise to make a big impression about the brand, which in turn creates a buzz about the brand on shirts. So it creates a memorable experience in the mind of target audience, which triggers good responses. Good response to sales. So it is suited to small companies which cannot set apart big advertisement budget. That is called a guerrilla marketing. Next we are going to discuss multi-level marketing. So multi-level marketing, that means if I buy any product, I will refer my relatives or friends or neighbors. Okay, it will be spread to all through the reference. So it is called a referral marketing. So it will be spread to all. Okay, so referral marketing means is the method of, I am going to discuss referral marketing. So referral marketing is the method of promoting products or services to new customers through the referrals. Okay, so referral marketing is refers to spreading the word about the product or service through the existing customers of business enterprises rather than the through traditional advertising. Word of mouth marketing, which accuse when others to tell each other about a business, is called considered to be form a referral marketing. Okay, referral marketing means I refer to my friends and relatives. That is called a referral marketing. Next we are going to discuss multi-level marketing. So multi-level marketing is a marketing strategy wherein the direct sales companies encourage in the existing distributors to recruit the new distributors to facilitate the sale of goods and services. So multi-level marketing is the marketing strategy wherein the direct sale of companies encourages existing distributors to recruit the new distributors to facilitate the sale of goods and services. So the distributor is compensation not only for sales generated by him, but also gets a percentage on sales revenue of the other distributor he recruits. Thus, a multi-level marketing is a type of direct selling wherein the distributor sells the product via relationship referrals and word of mouth marketing. So, the salesperson or distributor not only sell the products but also encourage others to join the company. So the recruits are called as participants, downline or distributors downline. Okay, so example, Tupperware and Amway are the direct sale companies that use the multi-level marketing. So the multi-level marketing is also called a network marketing, referral marketing or pyramid selling. For instance, for example, A sells to B a product. In these sales, A gets commission on sale to B. So who in turn sells to C's D and E. So A gets certain percentage commission and B sells to C, D and E. Okay, understand multi-level marketing? Next, content marketing. So content marketing is said to be the art of communicating with customers and prospectors without selling. The Content Marketing Institute calls it on non-interruption marketing. Okay, content marketing is also called a non-interruption marketing. So under this concept, product or services are presented impressively, target market which respond to the content delivered in the form of goods and sales, good sales response and greater royalty. That is called the content marketing. So once again recall. So what do you mean by commodity exchange? So commodity exchange means this type of commodity tied with the price tag. Okay. So next one, niche marketing. So niche marketing means they have to choose and they have to identify the group of people, and not all the people they selling their product, they have to choose and they have to identify the group of people and identify the needs and wants. That is called the niche marketing. Next, viral marketing. So viral marketing means it will be spread quick virus person to person. So some of the company asks their customer to spread the message or advertisement. Okay, that is called the viral marketing. Next one, ambush marketing. So ambush marketing means for advertisement they are not spending any amount. Other companies sponsor the particular event. So ambushly they have to spread their advertisement. That is called the ambush marketing. Next one, guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing means compare the other types of marketing. This type of marketing shown on the public place, malls, and they show the advertisements. Okay. Next one, multi-level marketing. So multi-level marketing is the marketing strategy wherein the direct sale companies encourage the existing distributor to recruit the new distributors to facilitate the sale of goods and services. Next one, referral marketing. So referral marketing is a method of promoting products or services to a new customer through the referrals. That is called the referral marketing. Last one, content marketing. So content marketing is said to be the art of communicating with customers and prospectors without selling. That is called the content marketing. So these are the recent trends in marketing. I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you.